Stylish new modern home completed in 2024. Move-in ready. Approximately 5,700 total finished square feet. 8 bedrooms, 6.5 baths. Well-designed main level with open floor plan kitchen, great room opening to covered porch. Kitchen has Shiloh cabinets and a tin quartz island. Office on main level. Butlers pantry and separate dining room. Main level bedroom and ensuite full bath. Tin ceilings on main and upper floors, 9 on lower level. Luxurious primary suite on upper level with wall closet and elegant bathroom, separate oversized shower and tub. 5 additional bedrooms on upper level, 1 has ensuite bathroom and 2 hall baths. Laundry room on bedroom level, washer and dryer installed. Lower level almost fully finished except small storage/mechanical room. 8th bedroom and full bath. Rec room with built-in cabinets. Game area for pool/table tennis and/or movie/media room. Situated on half an acre in sought-after Vienna. 5 garage spaces, 3 side-loading attached, insulated garage and garage doors, and 2 detached. Total garage square footage 1,315. Anderson windows. 2 zones heat. 2 tankless/instant on-demand hot water heaters. Short distance to Vienna and Dunn Mooring metro stations. Close to I-495 Capital Beltway and I-66, routes 50.